Home of Hawaii's music, we're Kapa FM at 100.3, 99.1, and online at kaparadio.com. Happy Wednesday, folks. It's the 21st day of January. It's Jaz and Ka in your radio. So attention all haumana or students out there, if you've been wondering what to do for the summer, Kamehameha Schools is your ticket.
How about your parents? The parents who they're looking for something for the kids do.
Why? I make my kids hunt for their own.
Well, we have an amazing team that's partnering up this summer, and we're very excited to have Joy and Julene from Kamehameha School's Hawaii campus talking story with them this morning. Good morning, ladies.
How's it, guys?
Aloha.
So, we hear that there's this Hālau Kupukupu Innovations Academy that's kicking off this summer 2015. Ladies, tell us a little bit about how and what this is and how we can sign up.
Well, we're so excited to share with you that Hālau Kupukupu Innovations Academy is our new summer school program, Kaya and Jaz. And so it's a 4-week program, and it's an adventure in fun, dynamic learning that ties to Aina.
Oh, nice.
So, we basically have 2 programs to offer, one for K-8 and one for high school students. And so I'll share a little bit about our K-8 program, and then Julene can give you some more information about the high school program.
Okay.
So our K-8 is an adventure, and it takes the keiki outside of the classroom to explore our beautiful moku o keawe from uka to kai. So they're allowed to, they're encouraged to participate in huaka'i and then come back into the classroom, and they do data analysis and develop research questions. And so it's an academically rigorous program, but as a makua or a parent, you don't have to feel guilty for putting your for 4 weeks. It's fun, deep learning.
That's awesome.
And there's no devices allowed on this huaka'i, yeah?
Well, except for iPads, so educationally approved ones.
Okay. Has to be educationally approved.
I love it.
Yes, but definitely. So, the whole program is focused on building critical thinking skills that will help students to succeed in future career and college endeavors, yeah?
Nice.
But really exposing them to learn about and to participate in the program as young ecologists or marine biologists or even urban planners. So lots of exciting adventures to be had this summer.
Wow. And that's for kindergarten through 8th grade?
Yes, absolutely. Now, our high school program is a little... Julene can share with you about that.
Okay. Julene, tell us.
Well, we're so excited about our high school program this year, and the true beauty of our high school program is that it's focused on credit advancement. So we have some really great course offerings this summer, and our most exciting right now is our dual credit course offerings. And what that is, we have 2 different course options. The one is focused on math and the other on English, and they are college credit courses. So students are able to earn high school and college credits in a 4-week program, which is great, right? I want to go.
Right, me too.
I wish I could have did that for my college. But it's fabulous course options that are set up to really give students the opportunity to begin focusing on their college careers and what that looks like, and to get a taste of it as a high school student. So it's a great opportunity for our high schoolers as they're looking at their futures and their career building. And we also have other amazing course options. We have an incredible marine stewardship course this year that they will be in Keokaha every day at Kiona Kapahu.
Wow.
Really focused. Yeah, it's going to be really exciting, and just being able to do... to be in our lab, the local EA lab, and just be able to explore and extend their learning, which I'm so excited about. So lots of exciting opportunities for our high school students this year.
Now, as far as the credit part of it, I'm curious about this. Is it just like juniors and seniors that get the credit, or even the freshmen get the college credit?
Yes. So the beauty about the dual credit courses is for summer, it's open freshmen through seniors.
Wow.
That is cool.
Yes. Which most schools you go, it's only offered for our juniors and seniors.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Oh, awesome.
Yeah. So it's an exciting opportunity to see them get into their college courses.
Yeah. Now, one thing that you guys are talking about, you ladies are talking about with Hālau Kupukupu, is the fact that this is open for our students here on Hawaii Island. Now, say my children are in Kona.
Yes.
So tell us a little bit about how all of our Kapa listeners, we have keiki everywhere and listeners everywhere. What does that look like for those of us that are outside of Hilo?
You never get the memo that you was running carpool.
You're funny.
You drive them all over for us. No, I think that is one of the most beautiful parts about our campus as a whole during the normal school year, and especially for the summer, is that we offer fabulous transportation. And we have transportation buses that go all the way from Ocean View to Kamuela. So if you're in Kona, if you can get to Ocean View or get to Kamuela, get to Waimea, then you have the opportunity to get on a bus and be able to still come and enjoy the program. So we have students that are coming from all parts of our moku. So we're very excited about the opportunity.
Another opportunity for our Haumana, Ka and Jazz, is to sign up for our high school participants. If you're not in the neighborhood and you're interested, we have a few blended online learning courses available, which are not typically requiring students to attend on a daily basis. So there are some components that are actually delivered through online learning.
Wow.
And just a few days during the 4-week program where there are opportunities for huaka'i or interaction with your kumu and your classmates in person. So if your schedule is not that flexible and you live far away, that might be another option to pursue.
Wow. That is awesome. We need to work on room and board though for the guys on the other side.
That's absolutely good.
I would rather just leave my keiki there for 4 weeks.
Maybe in the future.
So ladies, tell us how, our families that are listening, that's one of the biggest things that we're always looking for, something that our children can get engaged in during the summer, where they're not lazy, they're constantly, having rigorous action and being hands-on. How can we sign up and how do we do that, or who do we talk to?
Yes. So we have all of our application window is open right now. The application deadline is February 14th. And you can access our catalog and our applications online at ksbe.edu/admissions. Everything's available there. There's also an area for financial aid information and application processing there as well. You can print out the application and mail it in, or you can deliver it to our resource centers. So lots of options and opportunities available, but most important, you can call our office. You can speak with me at 982-0033, and always open to take your call and answer your questions and help walk you through our application processing.
Wow, that's awesome. So one last thing, is there a cost or a fee for any of this?
Yes, actually, the cost for full-day experiences is $400 for the 4-week program.
Okay.
And for high school students who elect only a morning or afternoon course, the cost is $200. Okay. And I just want to say that the program is open to all students on our island, to our current Kamehameha school students, as well as students attending DOE, public charter schools, other private schools, and Hawaiian immersion schools as well.
Wow. Awesome. Now, you also mentioned that you guys offer financial aid, and all of that information is on the website as well.
Correct. Yes.
Okay.
All of that information is available online at ksbe.edu/admissions.
Oh, that's super amazing.
Yes. And of course, we're always available, so definitely give us a call, and I can give more details and walk anyone through the process at 982-0033.
Oh, Joy and Julene, mahalo nui for all of your guys' hard work. This is fabulous.
We're so excited, and thank you so much for having us on today. We really appreciate your time.
Yes, mahalo nui. We appreciate this opportunity to share with our community this opportunity.
You got it.
Mahalo.